Welcome to the Compile Guru. Today we're going to teach how to insert a watermark. As lot of document we are creating, we want to prevent it for the misusing. You can just insert your watermark to prevent it all. So for this, you just need to go to the in the design section. In the design section, you can select watermark. What type of watermark you want to use? Here, just use do not copy watermark, so it will just come like a do not copy. Even you can use your own custom watermark where you can write your text kaka compile guru. So it will be coming like that. So in order to get your property yourself. So hope you like this video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.